सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning all of you. Today we will continue chapter triangles, and today we are going to discuss a very important property of triangles. Okay, those who have not seen the first part, second part, at first you go through first part and second part, then you start this new video. Okay, now see important property of isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle, or some of you are calling it isosceles? Okay, no problem. It is a triangle in which two sides are equal. Okay, and if two sides are equal, then its base angles are also equal. So what is base angle and what is vertex angle? In this triangle you can see there are three angles. The topmost angle A is known as vertex angle. Whereas you see the symbol, the important symbol you can see in the side AB double line and in the side AC double line. This is the symbol of equality, means both the sides are equal. And if in a triangle both the sides are equal, angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. So in simple language I am telling you, if in an isosceles triangle two sides are equal, it means two angles are also equal. And which two angles are equal? Base angles are always equal. Now you can see I have written here angle B and angle C both are equal. Why they are equal? Because they are base angles. Okay, one more thing I would like to tell you, if you understand this property, then you can solve the exercise by yourself, because by using this property only we will solve full exercise. Along with this property you will use angle sum property, which we have discussed earlier. Along with this you will use the property of parallel lines. Okay, that is why it is the reason I have told you to revise the geometry. Many of you are not understanding because you are not focusing on the concept, you are solving the question. Okay, if you understand this property, then very easily you can solve. What you have to understand in this, at first you have to see where is the symbol of equality, means which two sides are equal. Which two sides are equal? If you identify, how to identify? If I will not tell you AB and AC are equal, by seeing the symbol you have to identify these two sides are equal. Okay, so now some figures I am showing you. See the figure and try to identify which two sides are equal. Okay, now you check question number 1, all the figures. First figure, 80 degree is vertical angle. Check the symbol of equality, double line, this side double line, they are making angles at X and Y. It means X and Y are equal, they are base angles. Okay, so we can write 80 degree plus X degree plus X degree is equal to 180 degree. Like that you check figure number 2, double line, angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. So 40 degree is base angle and angle B is base angle. So both are equal. In place of B you can write 40 degree. Clear? Third figure is also same. Okay, like that you see 4 number, 80 degree same, base angles B and A, 5 number, 86 degree is exterior. I will solve this and I will help you. So let us see exercise question number 1. Okay, check diagram. A, B, C I have written by myself to make you understand which two sides are equal. Now we can say AB and AC are equal. Two sides are equal means it is isosceles triangle, means two angles will be also equal. Which two angles? Base angles, or angle opposite to equal sides, both are same. So angle X and angle Y are base angles, so they will be equal. Now how to write? In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So in place of angle A 80 degree is given, in place of angle B X degree, in place of angle C X degree. Why? Because both are equal. Now you do simplification, X plus X 2X, constant together, variable together. So 80 degree will go that side, 2X equal to 100, therefore X equal to 50. By your common sense also you can solve this question. If one angle is 80 and other two angles are equal in a triangle, without solving this you can tell me the answer, because total sum of all the three angles are 180 degree. So one angle is 80, so other will be 50 and 50, then 180 will come. So like that also you have to think. Okay, now figure number 5, 86 degree. Can you mark it? Where is 86 degree? 86 is exterior angles. Okay, and two sides are equal. You can write the name or you cannot write the name, both you can do as you wish. So angle B and angle C is base angles, so we can write let base angles be x, angle B and angle C is equal to x. Now how to solve? See, any interior angle is not given, exterior is given. It means we have to use the property of exterior. So exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. Means you can check third line, 86 degree equal to x plus x, therefore x is 43 degree. Okay, one more angle you have to find here, P. What is the relation between x and P? They are made on straight line, so x plus P must equal to 180 degree. So therefore find the value of P, your answer will come. Okay, clear? Once more I am telling you, question number 6. In this question number 6, how many triangles are made? First you see the figure. Two triangles are made. Okay, we will do one by one. In triangle ADC, can you mark it? Yes, small triangle ADC. DA is equal to DC. Can you see the symbol of equality? Double line. It means base angles are also equal. Which one is base angle? 35 and M. 35 and M. Check. Okay, base angles. So M is also equal to 35. In the bracket I have written base angles are always equal. Clear? Now angle Y is not in the figure, so angle Y I have written by myself to make you understand. Check what is the relation. Angle Y is the exterior for small triangle. Can you mark it? Angle Y is the exterior angle for small triangle ADC. Okay, means Y is equal to 35 plus M we can write by exterior angle property. Therefore Y is equal to 35 plus 35, 70 degree. Y is 70. Now you check in triangle ABD. Check the position nicely. Okay, in triangle ABD, 60 degree plus N plus Y is equal to 180 degree. 60 degree plus N plus Y. What is the value of Y? Check, we have got 70 degree. So 60 plus 70, 130 plus N is equal to 180 degree. Therefore N is equal to 50 degree. Okay, so once more I would like to tell you, if you have not understood the property of isosceles triangle, you are not able to solve any question. Okay, so therefore watch the video from beginning and try to understand. Now if you really want to improve your maths, so from every video you try to learn something new. Okay, it is not necessary that the first time you will understand. Watch first time, second time and try by yourself. You can do it very easily. God bless you. Thank you. Have a good day.